Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable push notifications on Tonkeeper account. So first we're going to go to our Tonkeeper app. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then here you're going to click on notifications. So now when you turn this on, you're going to get notified when you receive tokens and NFTs as well as notifications from connected apps. You're going to click allow. So from now on you're going to receive notifications. So this is how you do it. It's an easy step. We also have different how-to tutorial videos in our YouTube page. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video, subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.